Good morning, student. Today I will tell you diagrammatically about two things, fission and budding. Fission means a splitting of body into two or more than two equal halves. If body splits into two equal halves, then such fission is called binary fission, and if parent body splits into more than two equal halves, then such fission is called multiple fission. Fission occurs in protozoan, bacteria, mitochondria and chloroplast. Here I have discussed about binary fission of amoeba. In amoeba, binary fission occurs during favorable condition and multiple fission occurs during unfavorable condition. Here what happens, whenever amoeba wants to give birth asexually by binary fission method, at that time what happens, amoeba first of all grows in size to a maximum extent. After that, karyokinesis takes place within amoeba. Karyokinesis means nuclear division. When amoeba becomes fully matured, then the nucleus of amoeba splits into two equal halves in the case of binary fission. This is called karyokinesis. And after karyokinesis, constriction develops in the amoeba, during which cytokinesis takes place, means cytoplasmic division just after karyokinesis. And when cytokinesis takes place, then after amoeba splits into two equal halves in the case of binary fission. The resulting two amoeba is known as daughter amoebae. Similarly, budding, also a type of asexual reproduction method. Budding occurs in hydra, yeast and sponge. Here I have given about the diagram of hydra, budding in hydra. Here what happens, in the fully grown hydra, a small outgrowth appears from the skin of hydra. This small outgrowth which appears from the skin of hydra is known as bud. After that, bud undergoes growth to become parent-like. And when bud undergoes growth to become parent-like, then after bud detach from the body of its parent and starts enjoying an independent life. Thanks.